Mika was on hospice care in an assisted living facility, and the facility was trying to kick her out against the advice of her medical team. Mika's family came to us kind of in desperation, wanting to make sure that their mother had a chance to pass peacefully and with dignity in her own home. Here was this woman, she's 94 years old. She survived the atomic bombs in Japan and is now living in this assisted living facility where she's been for the last 12 years.
She had gotten used to the facility, her friends were there, she had support there, and more importantly, her doctors thought that having her removed from her living situation would be incredibly detrimental to her health, worsen her situation, and very likely lead to her death.
The situation that led up to the facility trying to evict her is she left the facility one day to go on a walk. There was no rule against going on a walk. She was not under any restriction. The next thing that was happening, the facility was trying to kick her out. First thing we did was contact the facility. We told them we thought they might be in violation of some laws, and we asked them to work with us to ensure that Mika could pass away in her home with peace and dignity that she deserves. The first eviction notice that she received, we were able to kind of get invalidated along with the help of the Utah Long-Term Care Ombudsman. The second eviction notice was placed under Mika's arms while she lay in bed sleeping.
The biggest challenge was from the facility itself and from their attorneys who were really obstinate with working with us.
The facility basically blew us off and kept trying to evict Mika. Ultimately, we were able to hold the facility off long enough that Mika was able to pass peacefully in her sleep with the dignity that she deserved.
Just this one story lets people know that there is help out there and that they don't have to go through issues like this alone, and that there are resources for them if they ever need help.
We know Mika's family was grateful for our help because after Mika passed, they sent us a very touching letter kind of expressing the impact that our help had on their family.
Dear Nick, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to you and your team for your efforts that allowed my 94-year-old mother to pass away in her apartment where she had lived for over 12 years. I sincerely appreciated your professionalism, including your effective communication with me and the technical expertise you provided throughout this challenging ordeal. We achieved our goal and my mother died peacefully with dignity in her apartment.